So today we want to learn how to look fabulous with silk accessories on the screen. Do you have any hints?
Absolutely. Let's do it. And Viktoria can help me with this task. Now Viktoria is showing how you can tie a scarf around your neck. It's a little bit reminding of this twilly scarf style. And you can either have the small triangle on your back or then turn it to your front and wear it really elegantly on the front. And the tip here is that it's very trendy now just to have your scarf loosely tightened around your neck. Again, Viktoria will show this loosen style, how it's really beautiful to wear on yourself, and it really expresses again contemporary people, as we are always having lack of time. So we're in a hurry, but this fashionable mess is really trendy right now. This next style we can call Audrey Hepburn, to give tribute to this amazing Hollywood star. And again, Viktoria, she was spiraling the scarf both corners around themselves and then tied it in the back of her head. And it's beautiful when it actually comes down on your neck. This is also very wearable style.
So that's it. This was just a small glimpse of what a design tour could look like. Thanks for joining me. Come and join me in real life. Bring your family member, colleague or friend, or all of them together with you. And let's go for a discovery. www.designtours.ee for more information. See you!